Hello and welcome back to tazwells12. You're on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12, and I am the host, who is Tara Wells. Today's video we are going to do a makeup review testing tutorial video, but before I show you the product I just want to go through the nitty-gritty stuff, which is if you like the product, you like the advice, you like the tutorial, you like the video in general, then please do not forget to give it a massive thumbs up, because it always helps me out that you know that you like these and you want to see more. So there will be lots of more makeup review ones coming. Definitely put your thumbs up if you like it. If you are new here and you haven't subscribed to my channel, which is tazwells12, you can sign up to YouTube for absolutely free and then go on to my main page, and at the top will be a clickable button to subscribe to tazwells12. You will be able to join the love family, the YouTube journey I have got going on here, and all the content I am showing. If you like the product, or you don't like the product, or you want to give me a comment, then comment down below and I will like your comment every single time and comment back to you. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands I do mention. It's all out of my own money. It's not sponsored at all. It's just an advice video for you guys. Please check out my other social medias, which is one on Twitter. It needs updating, I definitely know, and then there's two on Instagram, which is tazwells12, which is my main account, and then you have tazwells12 home, which is my home account. So check, like, follow, comment, whatever you would like to do, please, that would be great. And now I will get on and show you the product in this makeup review to testing tutorial video. The product that we are going to look at today is, I actually got this from Home Bargains, so pretty much all of my physics formula stuff I have got from Home Bargains. It is absolutely cheap when it goes in there. It literally goes for about £2 or £3, not even that sometimes, and they are like, the products I've tried are pretty damn good. I've got some more, so I got this from Home Bargains, and this is the Organic Wear Physics Formula Mascara, and it's 100% natural organic mascara, and it is made in the USA. So this is a USA brand, and you can normally get it on Amazon or somewhere. That's where I got my bronzer from. I absolutely love the bronzer, so good. And there's 3M in here, or 7.5G. So we're going to test this out today. I've not even tried this on my eyes, so it would be good. I've got no product on my eyes at all. I've not got my eyelashes are okay, but they're not the best. So this would be a really good little formula to see. I love the little bottle. It's really cute, isn't it? With like the leaves and the aesthetic and that. And it's really cute, this. But we're going to see how this works on my eyes, and I will give a review at the end of the video. So I'm just going to pop my fringe up, and we are gonna get on and try this product. My fringe is all pinned up now. It's just best to sort of get it out of my face and easier to see. We are gonna probably try this side first, because this is the natural sunlight coming through, and this is just a ring light. You can see obviously in my mirror, but it's gonna be easier if I try this side first for you to see a little better. I'm gonna open this up. We have a look at the wand. So it's black. I made sure I got black. The wand is quite weird. So you kind of got like a little end at the top, and then so the bottom, and then it's more curvier in between, like that. But it looks like a good one that will get the mascara onto your eyelashes. Not tried one of these before, so it would be good. And I've not tried the mascara. Like I said, I'm going to try it on this eye. If I look down my mirror as close as possible I can get to you, but if I look down, it literally is because I'm looking at the mirror. So we will try the top lashes first. So what I normally do is give like a wiggle and get quite a good coat on there. So like that. And it seems alright. I don't mind getting mascara all over my eye, because I get right to the back corner. I can clean it all up in a minute. And I just use the end to get like more coated on there. It's like a plasticky smell to it, if that makes sense. Leave that to dry like a couple of minutes. I'll just clean my face up. I'll just clean that up, and like I said, my eyelashes are not the best, so they go floppy down straight away. So I normally do with my other mascaras, I literally put one coat on and then go in with another coat and then try and get the ends like coated and sort of hold for a couple of minutes. Can't always do this if I've got like eyeshadow on, because obviously the eyeshadow will get affected. Second coat on that at the moment, so that's obviously making it a little bit better. Again, I will clean up again. It's not doing too bad. I just feel like yeah, it's not doing too bad, but it's just not giving me that sort of length. I feel it's getting the volume back there, and it is giving me a bit of length, but this is like the third lot of mascara I put on. So look, you can see there, like I said, my eyelashes are not the best at all, but I don't feel like this is giving me like the beneficial of what it should for an everyday look. So I'll do the bottom lashes. But if I was going out, I don't think it would, it's not giving me what I want. That's that side, so we can do this side now. So I do the sort of the same. I don't feel like there's a lot of product in this bottle either, which is kind of weird. I will do this side now. So like I said, get to right to the root and give it that wiggle. And use the little corner on the end. I like this. I think it'd be alright for an everyday. It feels very lightweight, but I don't know. There's just something that's not giving me what I normally have out of my mascaras if I'm on a night out. Like, that's a little bit better, but we're going to do exactly the same. So leave that for a little bit. Right, just hold them up there. Again, we'll leave to dry. The thing is that it's kind of putting me off is I'm having to put like 3 coats of the stuff on. Don't get me wrong, I said at the beginning, my eyelash is not the best, but there is mascaras that I do use that do give me a good like base. That makes sense, even if I'm putting like fake eyelashes on. Yeah. I'm kind of having to build this up quite a lot, and even like the side of done. Like it is nice, don't get me wrong, like you can see it a lot better now. So if I stop, I'm not on there, so just let it dry. I do think it's nice. Like it is giving me like more than what I had at the beginning, if that makes sense. I feel the volume is there, like you can definitely see there's definitely a bit of volume and it's giving me that uplift, but I don't feel like this is very lengthening. I feel like the length is like pretty much lost and it's still quite wet. Like it's coming off my finger, which should kind of dried by now, if that makes sense. I know I just put like 3 coats on, but there's still little bits coming off. So yeah, that's what it looks like, but Right, I'm just going to take my hair down. I can decide a verdict. While I'm going through my verdict, I'm going to try at the end and go on my eyelashes again with my finger just to see if any product comes off, just to see if it's dried and how long it takes to dry. My verdict for this Physics Formula Organic Wear Mascara, I think I'm going to give it a in between, like in the middle. And I'm going to explain why. You're kind of going to guess why I'm going to call it in the middle, because like I said, there was other mascaras that I use all the time that I absolutely love. Even if I'm having a pure base just to put some eyelashes on or for the day, I know that I'm going to have like a really lengthy lash for me for that day, even if it's just a mascara or two mascaras I use together. But that I can do a video on them too if you really want, because they seem to be my two best ones. But what I'm trying to say about this mascara is that literally I love the packaging. I think the packaging is beautiful, love that, love it's organic. That's even such a good thing for the environment if it is like organic materials that we can use. But the only thing that is kind of like putting it in the middle is the fact that it's giving me the volume, like I said earlier, but there's hardly any length. Like that's gone down like loads. This one's a little bit better, but that one's gone down quite a lot, the length. It doesn't even look like I've got like any eyelashes here when I clearly have. There is eyelashes there. While I'm doing this, I'm just going to see if any product's coming off. So there's no product coming off now, so it's totally dried. But you might need like some, like there you go. So if I clip it up a little bit, but why should I have to do that? Like a mascara should work and do all them things. In a mascara you need volume and you need lengthening. Obviously that doesn't always happen, and that's why I use two. But I do like this and I will keep it. Like it doesn't feel like cakey on my eyes, it doesn't make them feel heavy, and that's why I'm putting it in the middle, because I will just grab this and just use it as an everyday. So say I'm going out to the beach, or I'm going out for the day for a walk, or I just want a general like lazy day and I just want to feel a little bit pretty and put some mascara on. That is going to be my go-to. That's why it's in the middle. So my verdict for this mascara is literally a middle, a maybe, and I will still keep it. Unfortunately, we have come to the end of the makeup review to testing tutorial video on the Organic Wear Physics Formula in the black that I got from Home Bargains. So I came to a verdict of a in between, in the middle, a maybe. So that's what I've come to, and that's what I'm sticking with. So I will be keeping this product because it is quite good. So like I said, we have come to the end, unfortunately. Hope that you did like the review, the testing and the tutorial and the advice that I give you. If you did, then please definitely give it a thumbs up, like I said, because it always helps me out, and loads more are coming, so definitely give that thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to tazwells12 either, then you can do that by subscribing absolutely free to YouTube and my main channel by hitting the subscribe button and coming and joining the love family and my YouTube journey. Comment down below, like I said, and I will 100% comment back every single time and like your comment. The video is not sponsored by Physics Formula, Home Bargains, any brand that I did mention. It's all out of my own money and it's just an advice video for you guys. Please check out my other social medias, which is one on Twitter, two on Instagram. Please check out them, follow, like, comment, whatever you like to do, please, that'd be absolutely great. But like I said, for the third time, it has come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for supporting and thank you for watching. Have a lovely day, guys, or a lovely evening, and I will see you soon. Thank you for watching again. Bye.